I'm Sanjay Kumar R from Panimalar Engineering College and I'm at my final year. Apart from that, I have learned a lot from GUVI course. I learned Java backend completely from GUVI, as well as I gained a lot of exposure in DSA using that GUVI course. Apart from that, I also participated in GUVI hackathon, which gave me a lot of remote work exposure. First of all, it was my first remote hackathon, and connecting with people from other college using that Google Meets is completely new to me. And apart from that, we have developed a small scale MVC application completely in remote, which is a small achievement from my side. And apart from that, I also learned to use many tools like GitHub in collaborative mode, Gemini AI to integrate with our application, man. During that integration, I faced a lot of issue while passing that data obtained from Gemini into that our service. So it was the one of the harder challenging part. And after visiting, reading many blogs and many Stack Overflow, I got one solution, man. And apart from that, my friends and hackathon teammates helped me a lot to come up with many solutions, man. If I face any doubts or any bugs, then I'll simply present my screen and they'll try to debug it. So it was really good. I have attended offline hackathons, man, from many colleges like Anana City, Satyabama, and as well as in our college. But this was my first online hackathon. It was really nice, man. Why? Because during weekends only I get free time, and the sessions are also aligned with my free time. So during that time, I utilized to learn new technologies, and as well as industry mentors, which was really good. We can't find that implementation and solution in any other YouTube channels. So that was one of thing I like from GUVI, man. It will be good, man. I'll say if any person who want to crack any product based company, then this course will suit for them, man.